Good morning. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can generate data pins on this Samara video. Here we go. Click on open. If you don't have the app, you can just install it, but I have the app already. Let me just open it. Okay, this is the app. All right, now just from the button at the bottom here, we see our services, or you come to this place and click it, our services. Now click on buy paper data, offline data. So click on it. Now after you've done this, just come straight to choose the network you want to buy. If there's MTN, fine. Now after that, we go for let me buy just 500 MB. How many quantity? Now how many pins they want to generate? So if you want to generate 50, you can put it there. But let me generate 30. Now the cost price is 0 naira. You will not be debited. But when you start using the pins, that is when you will be debited. Now let me print it. Now your pin will be here. Okay, so let me just put my pin here. After this, click on proceed. Now, are you sure you want to generate 30 pins? So let me just click on OK. Correct. Your transaction was successful. So pin ordered. Check the first transaction here. Pin ordered. Let me view it. Now this is the link I will use to download the pins. So let me just copy it out. You can see. So let's go to your browser and paste it there. Just wait. These are the pins. These are the pins. These are the pins. All you have to do now is just to click on download pins. Okay, so I just view it now. You can see the pin I generated. I generated only 30 pins. These are the pins. As you can see, these are the pins. Okay, now let me just copy one and test run how it will work. Now if you follow the instruction here, send this pin to this number. So I've copied the pin. Let me now send it to this number as SMS. Okay, so paste it and click on send. So let us wait for the data to be loaded on this phone, on this line. Let's wait. Correct. Now you have received 500 MB. It's 500 you purchased. Okay, so let's go back to this our pin and refresh this place. You can see the first one is used, so you can't use it again. Please warning. I sent the pin via my MTN line, so that is why I received data on that line. So if we send it via Glow line, you will receive data in Glow line. No, the data will not enter. So what I'm trying to tell you is that the sender's number will be used to load the data. So anyone you want to sell it to, just give it to the person. They will send it through their phone they want to load. Thanks for watching.